Welcome to the Global Launchpad Series, where I explore startup ecosystems around the world to uncover where the next big opportunities are emerging and how founders can build and scale faster. I'm Sunil Dhawan, founder sunildhawan.com and the Launchpad program, and my mission is to help entrepreneurs turn their ideas into real successful products through clarity, structure, and speed. In the last two episodes, we explored why Bahrain is becoming one of the smartest launchpad in the Middle East and what specific startup opportunities are emerging here. Now it's time to get practical. If you are a founder with an idea or an MVP in progress, let's talk about how you can execute step by step to build, launch, and scale your product using Bahrain as your regional base. Step number one is start with clarity. Validate before you build. Every startup mistake begins with assumptions. Before writing a single line of code, spend time validating your idea locally. Bahrain is a small but well connected market. You can reach decision makers quickly, talk to potential customers, visit co working spaces, speak with accelerator managers. If you can't get early validation in a market this accessible, you are probably not ready to scale elsewhere. At Launchpad, we call this clarity phase. You are not just proving that your idea is good, you are proving that customers care enough to act. Step number two is design your MVP roadmap. Build only what matters. Once you have validated demand, define exactly what goes into your MVP. In Bahrain, the advantage is regulatory guidance and access to pilot customers. If you are in fintech, align early with the Central Bank of Bahrain's sandbox. If you are in health or edtech, check local compliance requirements and language needs. Your MVP does not have to be big, it has to be right. Focus on the top three features that create visibility and value within 90 days. Everything else can wait. Step number three is build anywhere, but build with the right people. You don't need to build your product here in Bahrain. You can work with trusted development partners in India, Eastern Europe, or North America. But here's the key clarity before coding. Write your feature definitions, your user flows, your success metrics first. That way, when you outsource, you're leading with a blueprint, not confusion. The truth is, many founders waste money with freelancers who have five-star ratings online but zero product experience. Don't repeat that mistake. Define, document, and then delegate. Step number four is anchor locally, that is, launch from Bahrain. While your team codes anywhere, use Bahrain as your launch base. Register or affiliate your startup here to gain GCC visibility. Programs like Startup Bahrain, Temkeen, and Flat 6 Labs Bahrain can connect you to mentors, investors, and early customers. While launching here, you instantly unlock access to larger markets like Saudi Arabia, UAE, Qatar, Oman. Under a Bahrain presence that's trusted and regulation ready, think of it like planting your flag. It signals that you are serious about the region. Step number five is scale smart. Measure and expand with focus. Once your MVP is live, measure three things: user management, pilot feedback, and cost to convert. If you can prove traction with even a few dozen paying users in Bahrain, that data becomes your passport to investors and regional partners. Then replicate. What worked here will likely work across the GCC with localized tweaks. That's how you scale with confidence instead of chaos. Step number six is avoid the common traps. Let's be honest, most founders fall into predictable traps. Hiring random freelancers without strategy, overbuilding the MVP, ignoring the cultural or regulatory differences, expanding before validating. The Launchpad principle is simple: clarity before complexity. Plan clearly, execute fast, learn continuously. Bahrain is small enough to test fast and connected enough to scale wide. It gives you modern regulation, investor access, and regional credibility without the heavy cost of larger markets, whether you're a first time founder or a serial entrepreneur. The playbook remains the same. Validate early, build smart, launch strategically, scale globally. I'm Sunil Dhawan, and this was the episode 3 of the Launchpad Global Series, where we explore real frameworks and real places that help founders turn clarity into reality. Thanks for watching. Everything I share through the Launchpad program and sunildhawan.com is built on one belief that with the right clarity and execution, any founder anywhere in the world can build something that matters. Stay tuned for more episodes in the Global Launchpad series, where I will come back with more countries and more opportunities for founders. And the next country is Japan. Thank you for watching.